Adding Apple Pay to the Presto app is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Before adding Apple Pay to the Presto app, ensure that you have set up Apple Pay on your iPhone or other compatible Apple device. You can do this by going to the Wallet and Apple Pay section in your device's Settings app and following the prompts to add your credit or debit card to Apple Pay. After that, launch the Presto app on your iPhone or other compatible Apple device. Then, navigate to the payment settings within the Presto app. This may be located in the app's settings menu or within the payment or account management section. Now look for an option to add a payment method within the Presto app. This is where you will be able to add Apple Pay as a payment option. Next, select Apple Pay as the payment method you want to add to the Presto app. Follow the prompts to authorize the addition of Apple Pay to the Presto app using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Once Apple Pay is successfully added to the Presto app, you should see it listed as a payment option. You can now use Apple Pay within the Presto app to make payments for transit fares or other services that accept Presto as a payment method.